show you. This is the Bala Killa. This Killa was used to for the living purposes of the royal family who used to govern here. That their family resides in this Fort Bala Fort. So see, शाहाबाद किले के परकोटा के भीतर बना ये चतुष्कोणीय बाला किला है। ये संभवतः राज परिवार के आंतरिक निवास के रूप में काम आता था। इसमें स्थित छतरियां अस्तबल के अंदर बावड़ी व झरोका दर्शनीय है। So you can see it. Full blown renovation work is going on here. It is almost like a smart fortress under a fort. See, simple gateway. People are working there. These are the red sandstone. There are various structures outside this fort. So let us go inside. We will show the Baudi and the Chhatris inside the fort. These gates have been placed with the iron gates. The wooden gates have been removed. These are the insides of the gate. See how much thick this gate is. This is the inside. People who are doing the renovation work has made some makeshift arrangement. So this is the lime quarry, not quarry, a tank. And its lime is prepared for the renovation work. Tractor standing here for the water. Water tank is rounded structure. This might be used for the fountain purposes. That is a one chhatri there, and in that chhatri, shivling is there. This might be the some. This might be the samadhi or some remembering work of any king of Shahabad. Simple design on the outer stones. You can see it is also renovated. Beautiful chhatri here. big and it never went to be used then again. So you can see this place, pillared hall type structure. After one room is there, but we don't know what is this structure. See, in the Rajput architecture, there are more places there. One chhatri is there. You can see. So on most of the cannons were taken to Museum of the Kota. Only 3 cannons are left here, and one of which is the 19 feet cannon, that is Naval Ban Top, after the name of Naval Khande Rao, the king of Shahabad. And the Gola, the sphere of that top, used to go around 18 course. That was the power of that cannon. See, many more buildings are here, but they are in a dilapidated condition. Nobody is here except the renovators and me. I didn't see anybody here. From 8th to 10th century, this fort was used by the peoples. So various kings made the various structures here. See, it's so almost serene, broken structures covered by the vegetation. There is a possibility of the animals, so we too cannot go inside. These are the broken structures. Ruins. राजा का सभा स्थल, किले में स्थित यह सभा स्थल विशेष तौर पर राजा द्वारा मंत्रणा के उपयोग में किया जाता था तथा सभा स्थल में खंभों पर आकर्षक कलाकृतियां बनी हुई है. So this was the meeting place of the kings of the Shahabad fort. See, it is completely broken now. Completely broken. This was the balcony of the fort. Here also nothing is here. Very small in design. That was the, you can see, completely in ruins. I think the Maveshis used to come here in the night and they stay here. These pillars are decorated with some decorations. Otherwise, nothing is here. There is one more structure there. So this was the meeting place of king. That might be the another structure. Let us go that side. Purani Tahsil. This is the platform. A deity is kept there. Then Sikandar Gaddi Lal. Somebody have written the names of theirs on the walls. See, no sound except the birds. It is also in broken format. These dilapidated buildings. One Gumbad is there. See here, nothing is written though. This might be used for living purposes or for the civil functions of the state. These are not saffron plaques made here, but nothing is written. क्या हो गया भाई? एकदम इन पे नाम वाम नहीं लिखा है कहीं भी. हाँ वहीं लिखा है बस. अच्छा इधर टूरिस्ट वगैरह कोई नहीं आ रहे हैं क्या? आज तो कोई नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. हाँ कभी कभी आते हैं. तो आप लोग ये इसमें काम करने वाले हो? अच्छा तो पूरे किले का दिया है या फिर कुछ पार्ट का ही दिया है? अच्छा वो बावड़ी किधर है? नीचे उस तरफ से जाना पड़ेगा मेन रास्ते से. अच्छा हाँ हाँ हाँ. This is also a structure, but we don't know what it is. You can see it's completely surrounded by the vegetation here. Now it's in broken form, so we can't go inside. Otherwise, anything can fall off on your head. See here. See the trees. They are completely making it a what? A haunted place. Nobody lives here in the night here. Only people comes in the day and they again go to their homes in the night. So we were discussing about the treasury. So we will complete this video here and then we'll discuss it about in another vlog. Okay, bye guys.